What if I told you that you could make 1,000 US dollars using WhatsApp? Does it sound right for you? Is it crazy? All right. You have that WhatsApp on your phone. You're moving up and down with the phone, but you're not making money out of it. But this is that exactly what I did today. I made money. I've been making money, but today I want to share with you. I'm sharing the step-by-step guide so you can do it too. Do you love it? No special skills, no big following, just your phone, WhatsApp, and a few simple tricks that will bring in passive income daily. You guys. Before we get started, I would love to say thank you to every individual that has been there for Immaculate Show, and especially to our royal viewers, our students, oh my God. And for you new subscribers, I want you to get your sit properly here. On this platform, we have a history and we have a future for making money with what we have. That is our gadgets, our smartphones, and even what do we have, our skills and what we learn. I encourage you to be on social media platforms, but what do you do there? Are you there just to talk? I'm sorry to say, are you there to just yap? Or do you make money? How much is your account balance, by the way? If you're seeing this video, it means you're among the chosen to make sure that you use very well and you use profitable your smartphone. Let's dive in and see the 3 steps or the steps of WhatsApp for you to make $1,000 step by step. The step 1 is to set up your WhatsApp business account, you guys. Do you have a WhatsApp business account? First, you need to switch to WhatsApp business. If you haven't already, why haven't you done it? Is it because you don't know, or you just tried it and you failed? Let me tell you, powerful business comes with powerful features that helps you to monetize everything and helps you to monetize your data. It helps you to monetize your videos, your links, your products, and very many things very easily. What should you do? This is what you can do right now. You can download the WhatsApp business and set up WhatsApp business account. It's very free of charge. They're not going to charge you. And some of us, we like just things that we are going to invest in, but we don't have even money to pay for them. So now when we bring for you things which are very free, you start thinking, talking too much. We are going to talk too much until you learn how to make money, especially passive income with your smartphones. The step number 2, you create a professional profile with a solid bio and contact details. I hope I'm not going to see, if you really want to make money, you're a person who wants to change to passive income. I'll not go to your WhatsApp status and I find there, don't disturb, sleeping, I'm in love. Will that love you're in, that you're trying to tell people, will it give you money? Please create a professional profile, put your contact details, and make it solid. Use the catalog feature to showcase products, services, or free offers. Here, there are some people who are going to say, Christine, we don't have products. You have products. Why are you posting someone's song? Why are you posting, my best friend on her birthday? That birthday you spent money, and at the same time you're still posting your friend's birthday when you're begging money. So instead of posting that, please, can you post something like juicy mangoes, juicy passion fruits, anything that is around you, in nearby you, such that you can get an income? Do you have affiliate marketing? If you don't know, please visit our previous videos and know how to be an affiliate marketer. So this is what I advise you. This is a pro tip I'm going to give you on this step number 1. If you don't have your own product, please don't worry at all. As I always tell you, you can promote affiliate products or digital products and commissions. And also you can go ahead, like I told you before, go to the shops nearby, put products, and whenever someone wants, send them to them. You can even start using you can be in a place where it's hard to reach to get like African foods in UAE. In Gulf countries, it is very hard. But a shop that has African food, you can post their photos, agree with them. Just this is locally, not even online, not even affiliate marketing. Whenever for example, you have posted posho 3 kilograms is $20, but in actual sense it is $15. Charges on delivery if you buy less than 3 kilograms, but if you buy above 3 kilograms, charges are not there. This is what I expect you right now to be doing. Step number 2, it is monetize your WhatsApp status. You guys, your WhatsApp status is a gold mine for passive income, and most people don't even realize. Here is how I turned into a money-making machine as a person. Every day you'll find a link, and when you click on the link, it takes to the video. When you watch the video, you get money. Every day I put a product, and do you think I have a shop? No, I don't have a shop. I put the products that people already have around me. Whenever you order, I get those products from these people. Don't forget, I've already put my own. If it is $20 and I told you 25, that is my money. So this is how I do it. So ways to monetize WhatsApp status: in short, you need to use affiliate marketing, share products links, and earn commission where people buy. You can use drop shipping. This is promoting trending products and earn profits without handling events inventories. And how do you do it? You can check in our videos previously. You sell digital products. What are these products? Mine are soon out. We have like ebooks, you have courses, you have templates. You can sell them direct on your WhatsApp status, provided you have a way for people to send you money, even if they are very far. Then paid promotions. This is where business will approach you and tell you, you guy, you lady, you have a lot of following, or you have people who are viewing your status. Please, can you put my products on you? With it has a contact, remember, like a flyer for someone. So business will pay you to feature their products on your status. You guys, you don't know this. By the way, I'm also telling you, if you know you have a business out there and you want to put it on my status, it costs very minimal dollars, $5 per 12 hours. You're much welcome. This is now how I made money. $1,000 in a month. I started posting variable content on my status daily, and the product recommendations were very real. So I've put money making tips, and even I've gone ahead to use limited time offers. People started engaging, clicking and buying, and commission came, even ads revenue came. So what are you talking about? Why are you poor? It's your mindset that is making you poor. So the third step is use WhatsApp broadcast list for direct sales. Most people spam group chats, but that doesn't work here. Instead, use broadcast list to send targeted messages without annoying people. I hate these messages that can come like that. But if you draft them well, you will not be biased. So this is how you do it. You segment your audience, e.g. like buyers, interested leads, new followers, something like that. You send in exclusive deals, product updates, and valuable content. I know you've been receiving such emails or even WhatsApp messages. I receive them so much. Then you personalize messages to build trust and increase sales. The real example is here. I built something for around 200 plus people. Then I sent them messages, and it was like limited offer. I used the link, by the way. When I used this link, I ended up, I think I got like $150 in just a few hours. So what about, and that was a pilot study. What about if I do it on a daily basis and people get used to me? I'll get money. The first step is offer WhatsApp services for passive income. I know it sounds very funny to offer WhatsApp services. If you want consistent income, start offering WhatsApp-based services like WhatsApp autoresponder setup, social media management, WhatsApp funnel creation. These ones work well. Business will pay you to automate messages. They will manage WhatsApp marketing for local businesses. They'll set up sales funnels that convert leads to customers. How do you do this? You offer WhatsApp automated services to small businesses and charge some amount of money. You can do it. And finally, you guys, what do you think? Do you think making $1,000 on WhatsApp is easy? If you up today, not even tomorrow, making $1,000 with WhatsApp is easy if you use the simple tricks. If you set up your WhatsApp business account, you monetize your WhatsApp status with affiliate product links, your event promotion, you use broadcast lists and direct sales for engagement, you offer WhatsApp-based services for consistent passive income. You guys, let me tell you, if you start today, you be consistent, and you will just see your phone become a money-making machine. This is the disclaimer, you guys, and this is also a warning to most people. Most people have stayed out of business after trying for some few minutes or hours or days, months. They just give up. But if you want to succeed in this, never give up, because that stage, the first stage you're doing, is a foundation stage. You would be right now celebrating, being congratulated upon your passive income if you had insisted on what you started with long time ago. But you want money to, just as you start a WhatsApp status or WhatsApp business, you want the money to come right away. Where did you ever see that? Even salaries, they just wait for the month to end. Why not you waiting for your growth? Thank you very much. Have you liked this video? Subscribe. Have you written any comment? What do you think? Are you irritated of my talking? Just put it in the comment section. And do you love what I teach? Also put them in the comment section. See you in another video. Bye bye.